2020 went through some remarkable smartphone flagship launches, and if you are considering upgrading, now might be the best time. These premium smartphones are introducing some remarkable hardware changes and stunning displays that will make your jaw drop. In today's video, we are going to showcase 5 of the best smartphones of 2020 to help you get the perfect one. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Introduce yourself to the Pixel 5, Google's latest release and an affordable flagship that streamlines a great camera, a larger screen, and most importantly, a smooth Android interface. Although Pixel 4 has made quite the controversy in the previous year, it was quite alright, but not the very best. With the release of Pixel 5, Google did step up their game by a significant proportion. With a 4080 mAh battery, a comparably larger screen, better RAM, and upgraded storage, the Pixel 5 is better in every sort of way compared to the Pixel 4. As for the operating system, the latest Android 11 is rigged to quench your thirst for a raw Android experience, eliminating any unwanted applications and skins. Google has designed the Pixel 5 to be the best Android smartphone there is. And if you are looking for a budget option, this smartphone right here is the one you should go for. Feast your eyes with the Huawei Mate 40, Huawei's latest flagship release that offers first-class hardware and a mighty camera. At a glance, the Huawei Mate 40 might strike you as a robust camera phone. Huawei has reinstated their P40 Pro's main camera with a 50-megapixel resolution and also the telephoto one with the 12-megapixel resolution and 5 times optical zoom. With the new Kirin 9000 chipset, an enormous 6.76-inch display, and an unbelievably clear stereo speaker, this smartphone is a treat to hardware enthusiasts. Moreover, with a 4400 mAh 66-watt battery, this smartphone kicks off as one of the fastest charging smartphones, both wired and wireless. Huawei flagships are never complete without an innovative touch, and the Mate 40 Pro is less likely to disappoint you. It is packing some outstanding AI gestures for you to control it with just the convenience of the waft of your hand. Although the ease of use could have been a lot better if it had Google support, which would make it more preferable to the customers among other flagships. Overall, the Huawei Mate 40 Pro is a hardware beast with outstanding camera technology, which surely makes it step up over previous Huawei releases. And if you are craving to try something new, it will suit you the best. OnePlus has stepped up in the game with its brand new release, the OnePlus 8T. A notable upgrade to their OnePlus 8 smartphone. Although the differences are quite narrow, you might want to check them out for yourself. What makes the OnePlus 8T's Full HD panel stand out is the 120Hz refresh rate over the previous phone's 90Hz screen. Once you have experienced a buttery smooth response rate, it will be difficult for you to go back to the previous one. Fast charging has gone through some upgrades as well, since they have upgraded from 30 watts wire charging to a whopping 65 watt one, allowing you to charge this device super fast in no time. It is packed and loaded with the latest Android 11 along with the Oxygen OS 11 for you to get mesmerized with a raw Android feel. The OnePlus 8T is a gorgeous phone with a mesmerizing refresh rate and strong battery life, and if you are a fan, this might be the perfect smartphone for you to buy. What makes a smartphone great for you? Is it battery life? Or is it the camera quality? Or might it be the screen quality? No matter what you prefer, Apple's latest release, the iPhone 12 Pro, is hands down the best smartphone with the highest optimization, breathtaking camera, and decent battery life. Redesigned with a stainless steel frame, the iPhone 12 Pro will give you the classic feel of the iPhone 4 and 5 models, which many of us adored. Apples are renewed for their outstanding optimization, and with the latest Bionic chipset of the iPhone 12 Pro, they have further improved the camera sensors and optimized the device, which an iPhone lover will go crazy for. Apple has also introduced 5G technology in the latest iPhone 12 models that will let you streamline high-quality content lag-free. Featuring the new MagSafe feature, a round-shaped magnet at the back that lets you charge your iPhone 12 Pro wirelessly. Needless to say, the iPhone 12 Pro is the best option for iOS lovers, and with a world-class chipset and an eye-soothingly optimized operating system, this device is less likely to disappoint the fans. Among top flagship releases, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra by Samsung is a remarkable smartphone that stands out of the crowd with high-end hardware. Samsung has made their mark with stunning display panels, and with a dynamic AMOLED 120Hz screen, the Note 20 Ultra is on top of the display game as well. Samsung's Note lineups are quite popular for the unique S Pen with the release of Note 20 Ultra. They have improved it further by reducing the latency from 42 milliseconds to 9 milliseconds that will give you a pen-on-paper feel. As for the camera, this smartphone features a triple camera setup with a massive 108 megapixel wide camera that will enable you to record detailed 8K footage with much ease. With its 4500 mAh battery, the Note 20 Ultra will be by your side through a full workday. If you often find your smartphone running out of juice, the Note 20 Ultra can be your best bet with a powerful processor, multiple high-grade cameras, and an innovative S Pen. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.